welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm still your favorite Krista ever. Spend the day with me as a clothing brand owner. So right now we are at the store. I have a lot of work to do. One, I'm going to do some adjustments and then amendments of my client's outfit, which normally I don't do, but because she's a loyal customer, I'm going to do that for her. The first step is to fix this button cover and also fix the zipper side. So I have removed my button cover mold. So I'm done with my customers wears. So I think this is one of our Amanda sets in this print. Oh gosh, there are so many. Oh, why did I open this? So because I just noticed a little tear, let me quickly amend it, because if I don't, tomorrow now she will come back and say, oh, I need you to do this. So for my clients that ordered one of our rivet collection leaf sets, I have forgotten the whole details of our leaf set. So I'm going to check my social media page and also my website to get the accurate detail of our leaf top, and then start processing it or start making it in this color. So she needs the nude pants and also this color as well. The issue in producing that is that the pants need more details, like getting the fullness of the pants. You have to get the accurate fullness, because I know that, oh, let me not give you guys my strategy. So the top, I did double lining with the same fabric. So let's see how it will go. I'm going to go to my page. Okay, this is our leaf set. It has a little detail here as well at the right hand side here. Okay. So I'll be using our size chart. I need to start preparing for my next collection, which is called Soft Girl. Like, this collection is everything you need and more. For instance, like, you know, this 2025 collection is like you are leveling up from this to this to this to this to this to this. I don't know if I make any sense, but this collection definitely is a leveling up. This 2025 collection, this is something I have not done before. Like, I have not done it before.
So we came back late today, and everybody is super tired. I have taken my bath, I have to take my drugs as well, relax, and then see if I can sleep before I do any other thing.